Hi all, my name is Shubham and today I will explain about my project, that is anti-theft and tow alert system. So here is the setup of my project, which will use to detect the tow alert, the theft control and also the face recognition. So I have used a switch which will be used to arm and disarm the whole system. Now if I switch on the system, now our system is armed now. If I vibrate my system, so there is a vibration sensor next to the buzzer which will detect the vibrations. Now I have used the PIR sensor which will detect the human in its vicinity. So if there is a human comes in the vicinity of the sensor, it will activate the camera. This camera will capture the image of that person and send it to the registered email using the Wi-Fi module of the Raspberry Pi. Now I am coming in the vicinity of this PIR sensor and it starts the camera and it captured my image. Now this is the buzzer which suggests that there is a motion detected around the system. Now the buzzer has stopped and if I refresh my email, so there is a new email suggesting that some alert is detected, motion alert is detected. Now if I open the image, it's showing my image which is captured by the camera. Now I will tell how the tow alert system of our project works. So I have used an ADXL 345 which will detect if there is a change in the angle of the whole system. Now if I change the angle of my system, the buzzer is started. This buzzer suggests that there is a change in the angle, and if I refresh my email, there is an tow alert mail which suggests that there is an tow alert. Now I will explain about the face detection. So in face detection, what we have done is that it will create a data set, and from that data set, our system will train and try to recognize the person, whether it is registered in the data or not. So first, what we do is that we will try to make a data set from capturing the image of the person. So I will first create a database by running our system. So our camera will be started and it will capture around 100 images to create our database. Now our dataset has been created. Now we will train our system with the database that we have created and try to recognize. So as we can see that it is recognizing my face, and I have done is that I have made the user, if the user is more than 75% of the confidence, then it will detect the face, and if it is not, then it will detect as unknown face. So I will try to give our system a new picture which is not registered in the data. So I will take this image. So we can clearly see that if the user is less than 75% of the confidence, it is showing an unknown person. Now we will check our email. In the email we have received an email suggesting that there is an unknown face detected. So that's how our system works. Thank you.